Good morning, Julia. Fall weather is being canceled across Indiana. We're about to turn up the heat. Summer's coming back. There's still 13 days left of summer, and you're going to feel them. Why? Well, it's due to high pressure really sitting in the Canadian plains. Throughout the past few weeks, it hasn't been there. We've had lower pressure. That allows a lot of the cold air over the Arctic to come right at us. This high pressure is going to block it, keeping us warm and also keeping us dry. Flash drought has now been issued across Indiana. The chance of one over the next couple of weeks as we stay very dry.
Finding how social media is linked to several youth homicides here in our city. That's what one report is showing.